Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. And for my dear audience, in this video, I will describe some different and most beautiful welding project ideas or welding project craft. So, my dear guys, when we talk about welding, then different question arise in our mind, like is what is the highest quality welding, or what is the strongest welding in the world, or what is the full name of welding, or what is the most advanced welding. Many questions. So, my dear guys, what is the highest quality welding? Gas tungsten arc welding. Gas tungsten arc welding is probably the highest quality and most expensive of the arc welding process. It is generally performed manually. However, there are some automatic applications. So, my dear guys, what is the strongest welding in the world? TIG welding is often considered the strongest weld since it produces extreme heat and the slow cooling rates results in high tensile strength and ductility. MIG is also an excellent candidate for the strongest type of weld because it can create a strong joint. So when we talk about a full name of welding, arc welding process, one of the most common type of arc welding is shielded metal arc welding. It is also known as manual metal arc welding or stick welding. So my dear guys, when we talk about a most beautiful welding projected, then advanced welding, most advanced welding, what is? So laser welding uses high energy laser to heat and melt metals and thermoplastic precisely into weld poles to join them. So it's extremely fast and extremely precise, but can't be done by hand. So, what is the most expensive welding job? Highly paying structure welding jobs. In combination welder also, it can be a so tank welder, marine welder, aluminum welder, TIG welder, arc welder. That's all the type. TAG welder, combination technician also. So, what the type of welding is most in demand? Some pipe welder also. It is a first of all, we pipe welder is is most wanted. So aerospace welder, and thirdly, I think military sport welder for underwater welder, certified welding supervisor also. So, what is the world fastest welder? Fast weld LXL and XXL are the world's fastest welding machines, operating 10 times faster than conventional manual welding. So, what is the largest welder in the world when we talk about what metal can be welded? Aluminium and carbon steel also in welded project most important, and aluminium and copper also most important, and aluminium and stainless steel also most important, and titanium and steel also more most important. So who welded first? The Egyptian used charcoal to generate heat to turn iron ore into a loose substance is called sponge iron. So they then hammered the loose particles together to join pieces in the first instance of pressure welding. So the Egyptian began soldering and blowing pipe, so joining pieces of metal together. So what is the future of welding or different welder? The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics speculate the need for welder to grow by 26% by the end of 2020. So this makes welding one of the fastest growing professions in America. In addition, the welding trade schools and the welding industry offer higher than average starting pay. So decent benefit and a bright future. It can be a much inspirable. So, my dear guys, the newest technology in welding, when we talk about one of the newest advancement is welding involves the use, you also prescribe in some previous laser technology to instantly melt metal and fuse two pieces together for making different things for different purpose. Like especially I prescribe in my channel is a different idea for specially decoring ideas. Especially decoring ideas are different sketch making or different learning procedure in any colleges, universities, or any school system or other different learning procurement. So, my dear guys, special the laser beam is extremely accurate and enable fine welding even when dealing with extremely intricate parts. So, which country is best for welding jobs? Final Land is the place to go for welders. Check out our open jobs to learn more about how to make your dream of living in Final Land come true. So, where is the best money in welding? However, their pay may vary from state to state. Welding experts should consider the state with the most extraordinary salaries. Alaska, the highest paying state for welder is Alaska. My dear guys, it is a general knowledge for my dear guys. Alaska, the highest paying state for welder is Alaska. And Hawaii, the second highest paying state for welding professional is Hawaii, and Colombo in third position, and Connecticut and New Jersey also. So, is welding a successful career? Welding has proven to be an in demand skill for years, opening up opportunities in a wide range of industries such as aerospace, automotive, construction, marine, power rail, and also more. So, why welding is best trade? Welding is a considerably high demand field with welding jobs available no matter the financial or social circumstances. Welding provides necessary services to various industries, including manufacturing, transportation, and infrastructures. So, cheapest welding method. The main advantage of a small welding compared to other techniques as small welding is the cheapest one since it does not require high investment. So, who is the most famous welder in the world? My dear guys, Lindsay Edward is the most famous welder. Almost everyone knows him as Chuck E 2009. So, Jody Collier and Colin Fozzy, Wyatt Swam, and also Gudge Davis, Anton Kamenetz, and Chandler Vicent also uh, much famous welder. So does NASA use welder? Imply expert freehand welding and computer numerical control welding operation or welder maintain certifications for space flight and hardware. So is welding a big industry? Yes, the global welding market size was valued at USDT 23.75 billion in 2022. It is a big industry. Is welding a yes a big industry. So my dear guys, I think that my video and my these most beautiful welding project ideas is much inspirable. And my dear audience, if inspirable, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So thank you very much guys for watching my video once again. Thank you very much.